Okay, so once you log into Back at You Media, the place you want to focus on is the Settings button. So when you click Settings, this will take you into Joy's profile. And you can upload picture, change email signature information. You'll use the buttons over on the right-hand side to make any of these changes. And as you set it up, you'll have a target demographics section because it should take you through a welcome wizard. If it doesn't, then you can always come back in and check and change this. So under change demographics, these are basically your farm areas or your market areas that she works. So make sure that all of your cities are included there. Again, anything you want to change, just click on the change button. Over on content, this is where you will connect your Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn accounts. If there's something that's already showing there and it is not her business page, then come over here to the right and click disconnect. And then it will basically give you a button that's very similar to this connect to LinkedIn. And then it will then prompt you to put in your login credentials for her Facebook account. The best way to really handle this is to already be logged into that professional Facebook account you created and already have your business page created as well. As we work down this section here for manage content, stream content. So you can always come in here to manage content and click on select categories, and that will let you choose what you want your audience to see. So if you hit the plus button next to the topic, it'll give you the different things that they'll see. And if you hit the question mark or hover over the question mark, it'll give you an idea of what that looks like. So those will automatically post on your behalf. And to control how often that stream content goes through, it should by default be set to every other day, or you can set it to daily. Just based on statistics, we always encourage everyone to set every other day. The content signature, I would leave that the way it is. You also have the scheduler over here on the left-hand side where you can schedule posts on different things. So if you wanted to talk about upcoming holiday-type activities in your area, you can post a link to it and have it scheduled to go out at a later time. That's the cool thing, is that you can come down here, you can put a link in, and then you can schedule that time out. The listings portion, her listings should pull through to the system so that you can actually click on schedule a listing post and it will pull all the data through. You also have the leads section, because if you post this, this actually becomes what they call a single property web page, and a consumer can fill out information and that can become a lead. So if you get a lead, you want to click on the leads button and it will show you any leads that you've obtained. And that's really about it. Landing pages and things of that nature are available over here. But really, settings is where you want to go to make sure everything is set up correctly. And scheduler is probably where you're going to spend most of your time scheduling extra posts. If you don't ever come in here and schedule anything at all, as long as the settings are turned on to post the content, so settings, content, and then as long as these networks are configured and you've selected your categories and you have this turned on to every other day, it's going to automatically post stuff for you and you don't ever have to worry about it. So anything else that you do in here is just extra, and but that's how Back at You Media works. It's a pretty simple setup process.